From the parking area, we will follow the trail to check out the Julia and Cloudbridge Falls. After that, we will continue to explore the less traveled northern section of the reserve. ETA here. It is a beautiful day in Costa Rica and we're heading to oh my god, we're heading down the worst road ever. What is this place called? The Cloud. I just
Cloud
looked at the sign. Fuck, it's not Cloud 9. Cloud Forest Nature Reserve?
Cloud Bridge Nature Reserve.
Cloud Bridge or Forest?
Clown Bridge?
Cloud Bridge?
No, it's Cloud 9.
Cloud Bridge. Is it Cloud Bridge? And we're heading to the Cloud Bridge Nature Reserve. It's one of the few parks you don't have to pay to get into in Costa Rica. And because my good friend Anderson here left his wallet in Calgary at the start of this trip, I've been paying for everything and it's getting a little bit pricey.
Not my fault.
So, free activity. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh god. Is this where you're supposed to park?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Parking.
Welcome to Cloud 9.
Welcome to the cesspool that is our rental vehicle. This is the
Oh, he's back.
muddy shoe section. This is the dirty hat section. This is the clean or dirty clothing section. That's the wet whites, it looks like.
Yeah, wet whites.
And then
the whites together.
I don't even know. Camping shit is back there. Okay.
Need a sweater, need a camera. This hike's gonna be a little bit more fun than I thought it would. Lady told us there's a bunch of jut outs, a bunch of waterfalls. There's a lot of water flowing through the stream, so the bridge that we came here for is been washed out, and they put a bamboo one in to replace it.
I really like this hike. It's kind of one of those ones where you can make your own trail. Yeah, there's so many different ways you can go. You gotta choose your own.
Pick your own trail.
Pick your own trail.
Oh geez, these are slippery rocks. So what we went over was the revised Cloud Bridge. This is the site of the old Cloud Bridge that got washed away. It's supposed to come out of that trail and come right across. You can see some concrete leftovers from when it was washed out. Apparently they're supposed to put it back, but not today.
So once again, it's raining.
Luckily, we found this little shack. We're taking shelter in and taking a little break.
So this place gets about 4.5 meters of rain annually. Why do we keep coming to the rainiest places in the world? Yet at the same time, we're like surprised that it's raining. This will be our home for the next couple minutes. Comes with a tin roof, a door, way, tools, shovel, and a cup.
That's gross.
Little sippy cup. We can fill it with rainwater and drink from it.
So we found a good shower spot. Kept talking about how smelly we were and finding a shower to clean off in. This was the spot.
Time to get cleaned.
So this water is coming out fast and it's hitting us hard.
It hurts your head, it's so cold.
The water was freezing and it's practically knocking you over when you stand under it.
Get in there!
but we're getting clean.
That felt good. It was very cold.
We finished our day here in the Cloud Bridge Forest Reserve, and it was quite the adventure. We got lost, which we like doing. We saw some bridges, some waterfalls, there was some rock hopping.
Showered off.
We're finally clean, and we are gonna go for supper now and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a big one. Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure.
What's up, guys? Here in Costa Rica, doing the Chirripo Mountain, biggest one in Costa Rica.